Are you interested in a different way of thinking about stock and flow? Let us introduce the concept of no stock and flow. With our No Stock and Flow program, you don't ever have to carry stock. We provide rapid custom configuration and assembly that offers the right product in the right time. We carry the stock for you throughout our 5 locations in the good old United States of America. We have solved the problem of manufacturing lead times. Our system uses high levels of in-stock fixture housing kits, drivers, LED arrays, and components that allow us to custom build to order and ship in 3 days or less for all catalog products in our portfolio. We have a large inventory of poles for most outdoor lighting projects and the ability for custom cutting for your project-specific height requirements. We also offer custom color powder coat painting. We have solved the problem of limited selection of in-stock inventory. Our system of standard assembly procedures allows for consistent output from all of our 5 locations to fulfill lighting for any size project in any location. We have solved the problem of getting the exact product required in the time frame needed. Our proven system of lighting products configured to order is backed by 36 years as a true manufacturer that controls all production from raw materials to finished goods. Because we have invested in USA warehousing and assembly, we are Buy America Act compliant and are certified in the National Lighting Bureau's Trusted Warranty Program. QSSI and its family of brands thanks you for watching. Visit us on the web for more information.